Hi, Ava. Hello, Ava. I'm coming back in. Yes, I'm coming back in.
Yeah, that's, yeah. We're not going to worry too much about that, I think. Let it take forever.
You took his toy away from him? You took Kieran's toy? Hi. What are you doing?
I just realized I didn't call
You want the camera too, huh? I don't think so. How you doing? You a happy girl? Whoa, that was close, huh?